Hello. So today we're going to be unboxing a Kidde 0915. And I'm saying, oh, don't you have one already based off your last thrift store video? Yeah, I do, but as you can see, it's an older one with a horn. This one right here is from 1998. Yeah, it's right there. So this one's a newer one with the newer horn grill. So let's get into this. Just gonna make it nice and simple by just cutting here at the bottom. There we go. Ow, it just pinched me, that's all. And you can see why people hate these packages, but I guess that could be enough. Yeah, it's enough. Yeah. Got it enough where I can get the insert out, hopefully. Holy moly. Just do that a little bit. There we go. Now we just pull that out. And if I had to guess, this battery is dead. We'll see though. I do have a backup battery just in case. And here's the alarm. Well, let's see what date is. Ah, June 21st of 2006. So yeah, definitely newer. So yeah. Let's open up the battery door. Mounting hardware, of course. So even though I'm pretty sure it doesn't work, we will see anyway. Yeah. There they are. I know that may seem dangerous what I was doing, but I know what I'm doing. Hang on a second. Okay, we got the battery unwrapped. And again, I'm very positive that this thing is not going to have any charge, but we'll see. Alright. Well, let's see. Yeah, I'm actually surprised it does. Anyway, so let's compare that to my 1998 0915. Let me just put a battery in it real quick. Anyway, so here's the 98. And here's the 2006 one. This one has a deeper horn than this one does. Listen to both at the same time. So yeah, didn't plan on doing an unboxing, but I saw that these two are different, so I did that. Anyway, peace out everybody.